of the soul. Landscape means the space. Landscape means the space left between the painting. Somewhere in painting, whatever the space is left. What is the importance of that place? What is the use of that place? Okay. The comparison between the European and Chinese arts. Chinese arts and European arts, the comparison. The chapter is comparative study of European and Chinese painting. It's a totally comparison. In this chapter, the comparison between Chinese painting and European. It touches upon the various sub 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 organs of the reality and the art. What is the reality of the art? In art, what are the reality and how we assess it? It depends on the viewer's point of view. Art is one of the forms of expression. It is one of the form of expression of feelings of the painter. Painter अपनी feeling express करते हैं through the painting and all. And it can be even in form of a poetry. Poetry and all, whatever the poet wants to give the message through the poetry, or in the music, or in dance, or in singing. What is the message given by the poet, singer, dancer, or other artist? Okay. All these forms of expression have an abstract nature. Abstract nature means what is abstract? Actually, noun and all, you might have abstract noun, which shows the quality, action, or state. Okay, it means they cannot be seen. They can be felt. इनको feel किया जा सकता है. They cannot be seen, and they cannot be defined as they can be felt or experienced. इनको experience. The chapter has three important areas of discussion. इसमें तीन main points है. There are three main points. One is the anecdotes, small short stories, which is moral giving stories, and the related to the Chinese and European painting. Daoji, actually this is the name of the community from which the poet belong, that painter belong to. जो जहाँ से painter belong करता है, Daoji, that is name is given. One of the philosophical doctrine of the Daoism is called the Shen Shui, reflected in Chinese painting. जो Chinese painting में Shen Shui है, उसका क्या नाम? What are the element? What it is called? That's okay. First we'll talk about the anecdote about the Chinese painter Wu Daoji. एक Wu Daoji Chinese painter था. What was the specialty? उसकी specialty क्या थी? What type of painting he made and what was the surprise there? उसमें क्या surprise था? That's the 8th century Chinese emperor. उसका 8th century में, this is the story of the 8th century. 8th century में Chinese emperor थी. Zhuang commissioned a painter named Wu Daoji. उसने एक वू दाओजी नाम के पेंटर को ऑर्डर दिया. वह एम्परर राजा था वहां का, टू पेंट ए लैंडस्केप, एक पेंटिंग करने के लिए. लैंडस्केप पीस ऑफ लैंड. एंड व्हेन द पेंटिंग वाज रेडी, जब उसकी पेंटिंग उसने तैयार की थी, द एम्परर वाज इनवाइटेड टू अप्रिशिएट. एम्परर को बुलाया गया तो हैव ए डांस ओवर द पेंटिंग देखने के लिए. एंड ही एंजॉयड लुकिंग एट द फॉरेस्ट, हाई माउंटेन्स, waterfalls. These were the things in the this one painting. Landscape of this landscape, a piece of land, what are the things are having on the earth. The same thing it was expressed through the painting. उस painting के through ये सारी चीजें दिखाई दी थी. It was a story of the 8th century. 8th century में था the Chinese emperor. He asked one of the painter whose name was Wu Daoji. उसका नाम जो Wu Daoji था, उसको बोला एक painting बनाने के लिए. Okay, that was the only to decorate the wall of the palace, उस palace की wall पे. When the painting was ready, he made in the painting the forest, waterfall, and everything, whatever it is available on the earth, जो भी earth पर available थी. And even the king, he appreciated it, but only he appreciated the physical appearance of the painting. उस painting की जो physical appearance थी, that he appreciated. And the high mountains, high forest, waterfall, clouds, men on hilly paths and all, birds in flights, all everything was it was expressed in the painting in a very beautiful, बहुत ही अच्छी वे से उसको express किया गया. And then but the painter was not satisfied with he invited the attention of the emperor, because whatever the painter he has painted, जो painter ने paint किया था, and even the this emperor, he did not have any look, he did not say anything about that, because it was all secret. Now let's see what he wanted to tell, क्या कहना चाहता. But the painter was not satisfied and he invited attention of the emperor towards a cave. उसने कहा भी ये whatever you are seeing, this all paths, forest, waterfall, rivers, whatever it is shown in the painting, जो painting में दिखाया गया, that's okay. But what is the importance of that cave? एक cave दिखाई गई थी, cave, गुफा type and all, and its door was closed. And painting inside, the painter said resided a spirit, एक आत्मा रहती. The painter clapped his hands. Painter वहां पर जाकर just underneath that, behind that, near the painting, he stood there and he clapped. उसने clap, तालियां बजाई. And causing the entrance to the cave. जो जिससे entrance, वो दरवाजा खुल गया, उस cave का दरवाजा खुल गया. And then the painter said, painter का the inside is splendid. बोलता इसके अंदर there is beautiful actually scene is there. And beyond anything words can convey. वो मतलब word से you can't convey that one. And please let me show your majesty the way. और उसने कहा मैं आपको इसका रास्ता दिखा देता हूँ, मतलब लेट्स गो. ही इनवाइटेड इवन द प्रिंस आल्सो, दैट एम्परर आल्सो, उस राजा को भी इनवाइट किया. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, द पेंटर एंटर्ड द केव एंड डिसअपीयर्ड. लेकिन जो एंटर उस जो पेंटर था वो दाऊजी, ही एंटर्ड इनटू द केव, वो उस केव में अंदर चला गया. एंड डिसअपीयर्ड, और अदृश्य हो गया. एंड द केव डोर वाज क्लोज्ड. एंड बिफोर मींस एनी रिएक्शन फ्रॉम द किंग, अगर कोई भी रिएक्शन उस राजा से होती उससे पहले द केव डोर वाज क्लोज्ड, वो दरवाजा क्लोज हो गया. एंड पेंटिंग डिसअपीयर्ड फ्रॉम द वॉल बिफोर द एम्परर कुड डू एनीथिंग. और इन फ्रंट ऑफ द किंग, इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट एम्परर, एम्परर के सामने ही दैट पेंटिंग इटसेल्फ इट डिसअपीयर्ड फ्रॉम द वॉल, उस वॉल से डिसअपीयर हो गई. दिस वाज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दैट पेंटिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट Wu Daoji. There can be a what was the speciality of the painting made in 8th century by Wu Daoji. उसकी क्या स्पेशलिटी. Okay, anecdote about the European. This was about the Chinese painter. Now, Quentin Matsys, एक another European painter था, Quentin Matsys. उसकी क्या कहानी है? In the 15th century, the Belgian blacksmith, एक Belgian के जो blacksmith who are dealing with iron and all, blacksmith, जो हाथ जिसको हम कहते हैं, named Quentin Matsys. Yes. Yes, anything? Yes, anything? Okay, let's. And knowing that her father fell into a love of a painter's daughter. A Quentin, he was a painter. There was a painter named Quentin. He fell in love with the painter's daughter. एक painter's की daughter के साथ मतलब he fell in love, उसका love हो गया था. Knowing that her father would not accept him as his profession because he was from the blacksmith. वो blacksmith था and his father was a painter. Her father was a painter. उसके father painter थे. And he was sure that उसको श्योर था कि he would not accept, वो उसको accept नहीं करेगा as a son-in-law. अपने son-in-law उसको accept नहीं, would not accept him as his own profession. And he secretly entered the painter studio. So what did he do? That blacksmith ने क्या किया? He entered into the studio. उसके स्टूडियो में घुसा and he painted a realistic fly. एक बहुत ही अच्छी फ्लाई, मक्खी, उसको पेंट कर दिया उसने on the latest panel, whatever it was going on. वो latest panel वहां पर जो चल रहा था, he tried to paint a fly. वहां पर एक fly on the artist panel. That master tried to sweat it away. And when master came into the painting, he tried to sweat it away. उसको भगाने की कोशिश की, चेज करने की कोशिश की. And before he realized that it was not real. And then he realized. It means as a painter, what was the specialty of that painting of the fly? उस fly की painting का क्या था? That it was looking real. ये बिल्कुल real लग रही थी. And even as a painter, means for a common man it can be, common man or common viewer audience it can be. This sort of things can be there. But for a painter, means it was looking. He tried to sweat it away. उसको उसने भगाने की कोशिश की. Still, it was a very impressive painting. बहुत ही बढ़िया painting. Realistic fly on the artist panel of that, and try to sweat it away. And then he realized that it was Quentin was accepted by the master as an apprentice. Now this Quentin, he was accepted by the master. उसके master ने उसने as a apprentice. Apprentice means new learner. Apprentice, new learner. उसको accept कर लिया. And married his beloved, and soon became the famous of his realism in painting. And he soon became, he accepted him as his son-in-law, and after that he became a very famous painter. That is the another anecdote. Anecdote means very smart or short stories. Yes, participants. Let me see, 16 to 14 years. Okay. He became very famous painter. This is the another story. The first story was the painter Wu Daoji. पहली जो पेंटर की थी जो Wu Daoji की. Okay. And the second it was regarding the Quentin Matsys. Quentin Matsys कौन था? He was a blacksmith. Actually, he fell in love with the daughter of painter. and he was sure that painter would not allow, will not accept him, उसको accept नहीं करेगा. So secretly he entered into the painter drawing room. उसके जो drawing room था, जो जहाँ पर painting room था, he entered there and he painted a fly over the latest panel. उसके latest panel पर एक fly paint कर दी, and it was so realistic, इतनी realistic थी. Even the painter he tried to sweat it away, उसको उड़ाने की कोशिश की. And just I think in ninth also you might have come across that real painting of I think in the chapter the last leaf and all. Okay, their painting, it was so expressed by the painter. उसने इतनी बढ़िया painting की थी that even the Sue and Johnsy, I think you may be remembering that story. Okay, so it is also in the same. And then because he was so much impressed by the painting, he accepted him as the apprentice. उसने अपना apprentice means new learner, अपना trainer, so he can be trained in better way. It means he is having the inside quality of a painter. The meaning of the tales. Now, what is these two tales? The such stories that about the Wu Daoji are very common in Chinese classical education. Means these sort of stories, they are very common in, and it was through the such stories that the great master made a abstract concept of the concrete. मतलब इसका पक्का है कि they have made all the proof and record of this one, whatever the classical paintings are there. And such tales reveals the art that the inner life, meaning of the soul. Means landscape of the soul. Again, the piece of land, it was painted, and what was the soul, it was there in usme soul. Only when one is able to see that inner life can understand the true meaning of the painting. इस तरह की painting art, how you can just visually whatever outlook is there, that's not whatever inside it is given. The soul of the painting क्या है? That is the true meaning. The painter wants that actually we should see with his eyes, उसकी आंखों से whatever he wanted to show us, जो हमें दिखाना चाहता. The emperor had appreciated the painting only from what he saw. Emperor ने क्या किया था? Whatever he saw the painting, all these trees, plants, waterfall, rivers, and the men climbing hill path, everything, whatever it was painted on, he appreciated that. But what was the secret? The soul of the painting, and he could only see the body of the painting, whereas the painter tried to show him the soul. अब उसमें पेंटर ने क्या किया? Tried to show him the soul, उसकी आत्मा क्या थी. It means when he clapped the door, when he clapped and the door opened, and he told there is one spirit, very beautiful splendor inside. It is very beautiful. अंदर बहुत ही अच्छा है. And he entered into that. And as soon as he entered, the door closed. And before there is any reaction of the emperor, the painting itself disappeared from the map. It disappeared, and he has ordered that painting and all to decorate on the wall of the palace. महल की एक wall को decorate करने के लिए उसने किया. Okay, now the second, the emperor appreciated the painting from only what he saw. Now in the second, similarly, the 20 message signified the illusionistic likeness in the European painting. European painting में भी मतलब there was beautifully painted that fly. उसमें इतनी fly इतनी beautiful paint की that it was looking real, and it looked real to a common man. It's very common painting, it can be, but for a painter, if he is unable to identify whether the fly was real or it was only a painting, it means certainly it was a very masterpiece. And the same holds the good of the story about the frightening likeness of the dragon as a real one, which prevented the Chinese painter from dyeing its eyes. Means there once one of the painter actually he drew a dragon. उसने एक dragon को paint किया था, and he did not actually draw the eyes. उसकी eyes नहीं उसने draw की. The fear that it would see him and attack him. उसको attack करते हुए देखकर. That's why he did not. That was the. It means he considered that in the painting there is a real soul. उसमें real soul हो. Okay. The basic of Chinese painting. The basis क्या basis है Chinese painting? What is the base of the Chinese painting? The Chinese painting are based on the philosophy of Taoism. Taoism actually one of the community which is related to the painting. And Tao means the path or the way. So Taoism comes the path or the way, रास्ता दिखाने के लिए. And the way into the mystery of the universe. Mystery means that the way lead to the mystery, secrets. And the emperor way rule over the territories. Emperor, they can rule over the territories. But the artist alone the way within. लेकिन artist क्या होता है? But the artist alone knows the way within. उसका रास्ता उसके अंदर से भी उसको रास्ते का पता होता है. And life has no meaning unless we undertake and the inner spiritual journey. मतलब external, rather you can say materialistic world, it's not the real life. Real life is the inner journey, the spiritual journey. When Wu Daoji said, "Let me show you the way," तो Wu Daoji ने कहा, "Okay, you have seen the painting and all to the emperor, Chinese emperor. You seen the external part of the painting, अपनी external part देखा. Let me show you the way. मुझे दिखाने दो." He means to say that the way to the inner meaning of the art mystery of universe, this mystery, the secrecy of the universe. He wanted to show that, and this is the spirit of Chinese. ये एक Chinese painting, and they do not reproduce an actual view. वो actual view नहीं reproduce करते दोबारा नहीं, but the real landscape to say something more. उससे भी आगे चले. Just they don't want to express what is shown, but what is behind that, what is secret or mysteriously, what is there in the, what is the meaning of the painting. And the Chinese painter therefore wants the viewer to take the plural view, means plural view, not only one angle. The viewer should see the painting. एक ही angle से नहीं देखना, plural, many angles he should take to enter into the painting and travel in it. उसके अंदर enter करे and travel in it. He wants our active participation, not only physical but also mental, but also spiritual. Not only physical, whatever we can see physically, that's not a painting, but whatever we can see spiritually, means it means in the different angle, in the plural view actually. And his landscape is not a copy of the real landscape. कोई भी real landscape copy नहीं, it's their own creation, it's a new creation, and it is the representation of the inner reality. Inner reality क्या? What is the inner reality? It means the external body, no, inner soul actually, and a spiritual and the conceptual space, a conceptual space. Okay, that is regarding the this is Chinese. Now Taoism, or Taoism, as you know, it is a path, way to the inner spirit. And according to Taoism, the universe is composed of two elements. Four. इसमें दो element mainly, actually two. Third one is also there, that is the outer space. Let's see. First is the yin, feminine. इसको yin बोलते हैं. Yin, Y-I-N. It is given in your book. We will when we'll explain the next chapter at that time. It's only introduction part, so let's understand like this. Okay, yin, feminine. Feminine का मतलब female part, and the yang, masculine. Yang, masculine. The interaction of these two energies makes the universe. Both energies, when they are having interaction, then only the universe. And their meeting point is called the middle void. And their meeting point, where they meet, middle void, space. Middle void means the space. So painting में there is a space. And also hold the significance, though it is often overlooked. No one knows. Actually, in a painting, when there is a space, when there is a space in between and all, no one looking after that. Only they want that whatever it is being painted on the panel. So panel पे क्या paint किया है, we are only interested in that. But how the wide place, what is the importance of wide place? Actually, this is the interaction point. ये उसका interaction point है. That is wide place, जो उसका खाली जगह है. And this can be compared with the yogic practice of pranayam. जैसे प्राणायाम की योगिक प्रैक्टिस होती है, मीन्स ब्रीथिंग इन एंड ब्रीथिंग आउट, ब्रीथिंग इन एंड ब्रीथिंग इन, रिटेन, उसको वहीं पर होल्ड करना, एंड ब्रीथिंग आउट. रिटेन इज द पार्ट, रिटेन पार्ट इज द मिडल वन. रिटेन व्हेन वी स्टॉप एनीवे, मतलब फर्स्ट breathing in and breathing out, these are the two that you can these are the two elements, that is yin and yang, means breathing in and breathing out. But when we are holding it, retaining it, उसको रोक कर रखते हैं सांस को, that is the middle void place, and where the meditations occurs. This void is essential, nothing can happen without इसके बिना, because these are the interacting point. ये इसका interacting point, interaction point है. Taoism is a landscape and called Shen Shui. In Taoism, landscape is called Shen Shui. Shen Shui is a Chinese word. Shen Shui. Shen means mountain. S-H-A-N. Shen Shui. S-H-U-I. Shen Shui. Shen means mountain and Shui means water. Shui means water. This word will come. So we will again in detail we will go. However, it does not represent real landscape. These are the 2 points. One is the mountain, other one is the water. Mountain is very actually erect, still, and the water is very calm, quiet, cool, rather you can say. And is the Taoist view of the universe means Taoist view. Taoist means where the real inner spirit is expressed. जहाँ पर inner spirit expressed की जाती है, that is the Taoism. And to understand the Chinese painting, one must understand the Taoism. उसकी Taoism को समझना जरूरी है. What are the two elements are there? जैसे Yin and Yang. These are the two elements. So the mountain and the water is the Chinese painting representing of Shen Shui. Shen Shui is a representation of water and mountain. Mountain and water. Shen Shui. Shen means water. Shui means Shen means mountain. Shui means water. And the unpainted space represented in the middle. जो unpainted space is left in the middle of the art. जो उसके art में middle में जो unpainted space है, that is known as a middle void, where the interaction between yin and yang take place. Yin, Y-I-N, yin and yang, Y-A-N-G, takes place. The man is the medium of communication between these. Means we try to communicate those two reactions. दोनों जो reaction है उनको हम communicate करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Complementary pole of the universe, and they are complementary to each other. They are supporting, they are praising each other, and you can see the presence too in Chinese painting. ये सारी Chinese painting में present. These were the 2-3 things only in the chapter. First of all, what is Taoism, what is Yin, what is Yang, and what is the meaning of Shen Shui. Shen Shui. Shen is the separate, that is the mountain. Shui means water, and water represents the female part. Yin means feminine, female part, and Yang in masculine, male part. That is your mountain. That is your mountain. Okay, and how the interaction takes place. इसके अंदर जो interaction है वो कैसे होती है, and let's see the how many now total 12. Yes, this was all about the chapter. Okay, this is about your introduction part. Once again, we will have a recap of this one. What was the actually given in the chapter? In the chapter, actually, there is a comparison of two types of paintings. दो तरह की painting type comparison है. One is the European painting, another one is the Chinese painting. And even in this there is a mention, which is the very important part of that one, that is painting by the raw materials. जो raw material, waste materials. So I think we know the Nekchand Rock Garden in Chandigarh. It is also one of the fine arts. And what are the basis of this one? How it was made? It means even sometime without the formal training, they are having insight actually painting quality. Painting की quality of the landscape in this one. In this there was a great about the Nekchand, I think, and he used the waste material to give this one. Okay. Now let's have once more recap of the same thing, same chapter. Okay, what is the main points in this chapter mentioned? The comparison between the Chinese painting and European painting. Chinese painting and European painting. Okay, let's before that, I would like to ask you, in case you have not understood anything, that can be once again explained. Yes, students, if you want to ask anything, let's see how many students. 12, 10 participants. Yes, anyone wants to ask anything? Sukhdev, yes. Mayank, Yadeep, Tanu, Abhay, Komal, not present. Okay. Upendra Rana, anyone wants to ask anything, you can raise your hand. In case in the introduction part, is there any problem? I'll have a revision. Once again, I'll revise this one just for very in a brief. Okay. If you want to ask, you can raise your hand. In between, you can very well ask. These are the 10 minutes almost left. That is for your feedback. You can ask anything if you want. अगर आपने कुछ पूछना है, you can ask. Again, what is the actually introduction part, the summary of this chapter? There are two types of painting expressed mentioned in this. One is the Chinese painting, another one is the European painting. European painting and Chinese painting. And first, we'll talk about the Chinese painting. What is the Chinese painting? Actually, they are more about the internal part, inner soul, rather you can say, inner spirit. Whatever it is shown, there is a void place in between. Actually, there are two elements in this. दो ही element है, yin and yang. That is yin, water, female part, or yang. And the interaction point of these both energies, in दोनों की energy का जो interaction point है, that is known as a void, middle place. मिडल प्लेस, एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज केप्ट वैकेंट, पूरा खाली रहता है ये. एंड नॉर्मली द दोज हु आर हैविंग द व्यू, दे वांट टू सी ओनली द whatever it is being painted on the panel पे जो painting है. But according to the Chinese painter, the important part is means you should have the plural view to see the painting. उस painting को देखने के लिए plural view चाहिए उसको. Plural means different angle you should see. Not only whatever it is physically you are watching the painting, जो भी painting आपको you are viewing the painting physically जो भी view कर रहे हो, and that's not only enough. Means you should see with through the eyes of the painter. अगर पेंटर की आई से देखो व्हाट द पेंटर वांट्स टू शो यू, जो आपको दिखाना चाहता है. इट वाज द एग्जांपल इन द फर्स्ट व्हेन वू दाओजी he just painted a panel. एक पैनल पर बनाया था लैंडस्केप बनाया था. लैंडस्केप में पीस ऑफ लैंड, देयर आर डिफरेंट all trees, mountains, rivers, waterfall, paths and all, everything it was shown. जो सारी चीज दिखाई गई थी वहां पर. And what the even the emperor he praised that because it was painted so beautifully, इतने beautifully. But what was there was a cave. वहाँ पर एक cave थी. And he told no, it's not that whatever it is shown on the panel, जो panel पर दिखाया गया, that's not that much important. What is the important? Because according to the painter, actually he want to show that the inner part, soul, spirit part of the that painting. उसका spirit part क्या था? He told that there is spirit lives there in the cave. इस cave में एक spirit lives. He went near to that. He clapped with his अपने हाथ से clap किया and the door opened. And he told that the a spirit lives inside. उसके अंदर एक आत्मा रहती है. And he wanted to show that. And he wanted to head, उसके आगे चलना चाहता. When he entered, the door closed. जैसे ही उसने enter किया, the door was closed. उसका door बंद हो गया था. And then he all of a sudden, before the emperor could show any reaction, the painting itself, that panel, that painting, it disappeared from there. वहाँ पर से disappeared. That was the importance, that was the beauty of that painting. उस painting की ये. Okay. Then there was another story about the European. In European, mainly European, actually, it was there is nothing soul and all. It is not shown here. In European, there is an example. There was one blacksmith, Quentin Matsys. Quentin Matsys, he was a blacksmith. Actually, he fell in love with a daughter of a painter's daughter, and he was sure that as a blacksmith, the painter would not accept him as a son-in-law. अपने son-in-law उसको दामाद नहीं. And one day he entered into the painting room. उसके painting room में on the latest panel he painted a fly. वहाँ पर एक मक्खी उसने fly paint कर दी थी. And even the painter was a very good painter, master painter, and he tried to sweat it away. It means he was unable to find out whether the fly was real or it was a painting. ये painting थी या real थी. It means such a beautiful painting it was. It means the जो European painting, they want to show the beauty, external beauty, whereas the Chinese painting, they want to show the inner beauty. उसकी inner आत्मा, means journey to the inner spirit. उसकी जो inner spirit होती है, उसकी journey दिखाना. That was the two. Now meaning of these two tales, one tale belongs to the Chinese, another is the, and there is another example of the Chinese this one painting, that even a dragon, actually he did not draw the eyes. उसकी eyes नहीं, so that it should not bite. उसको bite नहीं करते, attack नहीं करते. That's why it means they want they thought that when you are painting something, it will have the soul. इसके अंदर आत्मा. That's why it means the difference between the European painting and Chinese painting. Chinese painting, they believe in the physical or the painting itself, but whereas the European painting, whereas the Chinese painting, they consider more the inner part of it, innermost, the spirit part of that painting. उस painting the spirit part where the interaction takes place, the void place rather than say, जो खाली जगह होती है, that is more important. Now in this one more, what is Taoism? Taoism क्या है? The path or the way. Tao means path or way. Path or way into the mystery of the universe. उसके अंदर जाने की. Not whatever it is shown in the external panel. Panel पे जो ऊपर दिखाया गया है, that's no, that is a physical appearance rather than say of anything. उस किसी भी चीज का जो physical है. But innermost means the inner part. जो उसका inner part. Now in this there are two elements they are using. One is the yin, yin feminine, yin feminine, female, and yang masculine, male, and yang masculine. And the yin, it is for water, is considered water, and yang is considered as a mountain. Mountain is very straight, direct, and full of energy, whereas masculine very cold and beauty. Actually, female and male that expression. And it is given the comparison with the pranayama, breathing in and breathing out. In between retaining the breath, that is the middle point, interaction point, no interaction of the air. Means between breathing in and breathing out, the retaining of the breath, जो सांस को रोकने के लिए, that is the meaning. And then shen shui, meaning of shen shui. Shen shui, shen means actually shen means here shen shui. Shen means mountain and shui means water. Again, it is given in that. Okay. So if you want to ask anything, let's see, participants. Yes. If you want to ask anything, students, regarding the introduction part of this chapter, and tomorrow we will start reading this one. So you have to read the chapter thoroughly, go through this chapter, be prepared, be ready for the reading and explanation of this chapter. इस chapter के लिए तैयार रहना. Okay. Yes. If you want to ask anything, students, you can ask. Abhay, Vans, Yadeep, Mang, Sukhdev, Commerce, non-medical. Tanu, your stream. Once, okay, Yadeep, your stream. Many student, okay, medical, yes. Sukhdev, Tanu, medical, yes. Arts 1. Sukhdev, your stream. Sukhdev.
Medical, sir. Medical, sir.
Yes. Okay. Which one? You're not audible. Sukhdev.
Medical, sir.
Medical. Okay. You can write down clearly. Okay. Okay. Any problem with the chapters? I think you are all on mute. You can talk. अगर किसी ने बात करनी है, you can talk. Students, if you want, you can talk. Yes. Anyone? Come on.